Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 worst foods that could be sabotaging your health without you even realizing it. From hidden sugars to harmful additives, these culprits might be lurking in your pantry as we speak. Let's jump right in. We're starting off strong with sugary beverages like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened teas, which may seem harmless at first glance, but their impact on our health can be profound. Let's break it down. These beverages frequently contain a surprising quantity of added sugar. Up to 10 teaspoons of sugar can be found in just one soda can. Not only soda, but also a lot of energy drinks and sweetened teas have high sugar content. So, what's the big deal with all that sugar? Well, for starters, it's a major contributor to obesity. When we consume sugary drinks, we're taking in a significant number of calories without feeling full, leading to weight gain over time. However, the effects do not end there. Overindulging in sugar, particularly in liquid form, can also negatively impact blood sugar regulation and raise the risk of type 2 diabetes. Regularly consuming large amounts of sugar can cause insulin resistance over time, which is a sign of diabetes. And let's not forget about our heart health. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. It can raise blood pressure, increase inflammation, and contribute to the buildup of plaque in our arteries. Not a recipe for a healthy heart. Oh, and did I mention your pearly whites? Sugar is a major culprit in tooth decay and cavities. The bacteria in our mouths thrive on sugar, producing acids that can erode tooth enamel and lead to dental problems down the line. So, the next time you reach for that sugary beverage, think twice about the impact it could be having on your health. A word of caution before making significant changes to your diet: it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Processed meats. They're a staple in many diets, but are they really as harmless as they seem? Let's uncover the truth. Convenience and flavor come to mind frequently when we think of processed meats. But we might not know that these meats are frequently packed full of bad fats, too much sodium, and a long list of chemicals, such as nitrates and nitrites. In processed meats, nitrates and nitrites are frequently added as colorants and preservatives to extend shelf life and preserve a desired pink color. But when ingested, these substances may experience chemical interactions in the body that result in the formation of nitrosamines, which are known to cause cancer. Research has shown that regularly consuming processed meats is associated with an increased risk of various types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, substances known to cause cancer in humans. But we should be concerned about more than simply the additives. Additionally, well known for their excessive fat load and high sodium content are processed meats. Unhealthy lipids can contribute to obesity and other chronic health disorders, while an excessive sodium consumption can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. So, what's the alternative? Opting for whole, unprocessed sources of protein like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and legumes can provide the nutrients your body needs without the added risk. And if you can't resist the occasional indulgence, moderation is key. Trans fats, the silent assassins of the food world. Found in fried foods, margarine, and many packaged snacks, trans fats raise your bad cholesterol levels while lowering the good ones, paving the way for heart disease and stroke. Avoid them like the plague. It's no secret that fast food is convenient, but it's also a health nightmare. Loaded with unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and hidden sugars, indulging in fast food regularly can wreak havoc on your health, contributing to weight gain, insulin resistance, and other chronic conditions. Last but not least, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. While they may seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, these chemical concoctions can disrupt your gut microbiome, increase sugar cravings, and even lead to metabolic dysfunction over time. Opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or honey instead. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 worst foods that could be destroying your health. But fear not, By being mindful of your food choices and opting for whole, nutrient-rich options instead, you can take control of your health and thrive. Remember, you are what you eat, so choose wisely. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.